Hi, my name is Tania. I come from Bangladesh, and I grew up in a Muslim family where I used to fast. I used to read Quran, and I thought pleasing my family and elders is one of the ways to please God. And that actually took me to Aaron's marriage, and I came in United States in 2007, and my marriage was falling apart. I had no money and no job, no paperwork, and I was actually completely on my own. I was working as a makeup artist in a departmental store in cosmetics department. One of the customer, actually, I was doing makeup, she was sitting in a chair, and I don't expect that people, they would say something is valuable while they're sitting in the chair. They usually talk about their regular life, and she just stared at me and she said, do you know what Jesus have done for you on the cross? While I was doing makeup, still she was going on and on. She was so sweet, and she's like, you know, I also come from a Muslim background. During that time, I didn't talk what I was feeling. She left me her phone number saying, if you feel, why don't you just give me a call? She left the store, and I just got out of the store, and I say, here I am, I'm calling. And she actually prayed a prayer with me over the phone. And that's how I actually accepted Jesus right away. Even though I had the living Messiah with me, I fell into sinful lifestyle again. I went back to my own ways. And 2013, during the summer, one of the church members brought me here in embassy. I needed a prayer. I couldn't make a decision on my own. So I ran into one of the sisters who actually comes to embassy. She's one of those valuable members. I asked her for prayers, and she prayed immediately with me, and she took me under her wing, and she nurtured me, and she discipled me. And I was baptized in 2016. Psalm 41:4. I waited patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. He lifted me out of the slimy pit, out of the mud and mire. He set my feet on a rock and gave me a firm place to stand. I praise the Lord for saving me and giving me the ministry, CMR, and McLean Bible Church, and He Himself that cares about me, loves me so much. I could never find unconditional love anywhere but Jesus. So I praise Him and I thank Him.